Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. Wood has always carried a quiet power. It holds memory, warmth, and character in a way few materials can. When shaped by thoughtful hands, it becomes more than furniture. It becomes a story, a feeling, and increasingly, a reliable source of income. In a world flooded with mass-produced items, creative wood furniture stands apart as something personal, lasting, and deeply human. This narration explores how imaginative wooden furniture ideas can move beyond passion projects and evolve into steady, meaningful income streams, without losing the soul that makes them special. Today, buyers are not only purchasing tables, chairs, or shelves, they are investing in atmosphere, identity, and authenticity. They want pieces that feel rooted, that bring nature indoors, and that reflect intentional living. This shift has opened a powerful door for makers who understand that creativity and income are not opposites, but partners. When craftsmanship meets strategy, woodcraft becomes both art and livelihood. Creative wood furniture begins with seeing possibility where others see raw material. A slab of timber is not just wood. It is a future dining table, a sculptural bench, a statement bed frame, or a compact storage solution designed for modern homes. The most successful wooden furniture pieces are born at the intersection of function and emotion. They solve everyday problems while quietly elevating the space they inhabit. One of the strongest income-driving qualities of wood furniture is its adaptability. A single design concept can be refined, resized, or reimagined for different markets without losing its identity. A rustic coffee table can become a side table, a console, or a workspace desk simply by adjusting proportions. This flexibility allows creators to maximize one idea across multiple products, reducing design fatigue while increasing profitability. The appeal of handcrafted wooden furniture lies in its imperfections. Grain variations, knots, and natural textures create uniqueness that factory lines cannot replicate. Customers increasingly value this individuality, especially when it is paired with thoughtful finishing and modern silhouettes. By blending clean lines with organic textures, creators can attract both minimalist buyers and lovers of rustic warmth, expanding their audience without diluting their brand. Beds, dining tables, storage benches, and shelving units remain among the most reliable income generators because they sit at the heart of daily life. A wooden bed frame is not just furniture. It is rest, routine, and comfort. When designed with hidden storage, modular features, or elegant headboards, it becomes a premium product with higher perceived value. Buyers are often willing to pay more for furniture that improves their living experience while reflecting craftsmanship. Another powerful factor in steady income is storytelling. Furniture that carries a narrative about the wood's source, the inspiration behind the design, or the philosophy of the maker creates emotional connection. When customers feel connected to the story, they are less price-sensitive and more loyal. This connection turns one-time buyers into long-term supporters who return for future pieces or recommend your work to others. Sustainability also plays a growing role in purchasing decisions. Responsibly sourced wood, reclaimed materials, and long-lasting construction are no longer niche selling points. They are expectations. Creative furniture makers who highlight durability and responsible choices position themselves as both ethical and premium. This alignment not only builds trust, but also justifies higher pricing, contributing directly to steady income. Designing for real homes is another overlooked advantage. Furniture that fits modern living spaces, apartments, small rooms, multifunctional areas, has consistent demand. Compact wooden desks, foldable dining tables, and storage-integrated furniture solve real problems. When creativity responds to lifestyle needs, products naturally move from admiration to purchase. Consistency is what transforms craft into income. While creativity sparks interest, reliability sustains business. Maintaining recognizable design language, consistent quality, and dependable delivery builds a reputation that supports steady sales. Customers return to makers they trust, especially for furniture, where quality directly affects daily life. Pricing creative wood furniture is not about competing with mass production. It is about communicating value. Handcrafted pieces carry labor, skill, and intention. When pricing reflects these elements confidently, it signals professionalism rather than hesitation. Buyers who seek handcrafted furniture understand this difference and respond to clarity. Visual presentation also plays a crucial role. Clean, well-lit images that highlight texture, scale, and use in real spaces help customers imagine the piece in their own home. When furniture is shown as part of a lifestyle rather than an isolated object, its value becomes tangible. This emotional visualization significantly increases conversion and supports income stability. Over time, successful creators refine their process. They learn which designs resonate most, which finishes age beautifully, and which pieces generate repeat demand. This knowledge allows for smarter creation, less guesswork, more intention. Craft evolves into a system where creativity remains alive, but income becomes predictable. Ultimately, creative wood furniture thrives because it aligns with something timeless. Humans have always gathered around wooden tables, rested on wooden beds, and stored memories in wooden chests. By honoring this tradition while adapting to modern needs, makers position themselves not just as sellers, but as contributors to daily life. That role carries both purpose and profit. Creative wood furniture ideas have the power to transform simple craftsmanship into a steady and reliable source of income. What begins as raw timber and basic tools can evolve into products that people value not only for their function, but for their story, durability, and character. In a world saturated with mass-produced furniture, handmade wooden pieces stand out as symbols of authenticity and intention. Turning craft into income requires more than skill alone. It demands creativity that responds to real needs, designs that balance beauty with practicality, and a deep understanding of what customers are willing to invest in long-term. A well-crafted table, shelf, or chair is not just an object. It is an experience of quality that customers remember and recommend. Successful wood furniture creators learn to think beyond single projects. They refine repeatable designs, control material costs, and develop a consistent style that becomes recognizable. Over time, this approach builds trust and transforms occasional sales into steady demand. Creative wood furniture proves that making with your hands can also build financial stability. When imagination, craftsmanship, and intention come together, wood becomes more than material, it becomes opportunity. Each piece shaped with care carries the potential to improve a home and support a livelihood, quietly and steadily. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.